Hi, Sam here from Hair by Sam McKnight. I've got the gorgeous Irina and I'm going to show you how to glamorize your hair with some Hollywood red carpet inspired ways for any glamorous event. I think when you think Hollywood, you think that classic Hollywood side part. And she has got a bit of a fringe, so I'm kind of going to sweep that to the side. You can see that changes the face immediately. So I'm going to use modern hairspray to set Irina's hair. Now, modern hairspray is not sticky and it has heat protection up to 230 degrees. It's not going to damage her hair. And it will give it some gorgeous shine and hold. And I'm going to use these tongs down the barrel. Classic set. Voila. I'm going to take fairly big sections, not too small sections. Not leave the heat on for too long. I'm not going to clip it up as I go because her hair holds a curl quite well. So I am going to just leave it down to cool and set. If your hair drops quickly, I just clip it into place. But I'm not going to do that because her hair doesn't drop. So I'm not going to brush that. I'm just going to leave that to cool. I'll brush it out later. Modern hairspray will give this look a lot of beautiful shine and finish. It's going to look expensive. Don't let striving for perfection beat you, because hair is never perfect. Hair is always individual. Hair is always a moving thing. So I think if you can make a little bit of an effort, it's going to look like you made a lot of effort. Now, what I'm going to do here may scare you, but fear not. I'm going to spray that wave into place. Now, I'm using the hairspray as a setting spray this time. So I'm going to get lots of hold and lots of shine. That Hollywood glamorous shine on the edge. It's just basically accentuating the wave with your fingers. Don't worry if it's messy. It doesn't matter. If you spray it down, it will all come out beautifully in the end. So I'm just going to leave it like that for a few minutes to set, and then we'll brush it out. Now it's time to remove these clips. The great thing about Hollywood hair is the most important thing is the wave in the front. The back can have a looser wave in it, but the front is the face framer that sets the look. Brush it out. You see the wave is there. Again, I'm going to do that. And you can see the hair is a little bit fluffy. And to defluff it, I'm going to use, if I can get it open, my Dress to Kill, which we call a define and de-frizz finishing cream. It's a cream version of the old Hollywood brilliantine that they used to use in Hollywood movies to define and defluff, and you can see what it's just done there. It's taken the fluff right down and you see that shiny wave. It's very easy to use. It's very simple. You don't need to use very much. It just brings the hair together. A tiny bit rubbed into your hands and defines those waves, brings the definition back. use a different brush to finish it off. It's a YS Park brush. Finish the whole thing off with a blast of hairspray. So this Dress to Kill is going to define, defluff and defrizz your hair instantly. So classic, timeless Hollywood waves for any occasion.